Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Proanko Magic Arm Fence Mount. This is going to be set up for a camera. I'm going to be using a Mevo smart camera, mounting it to a fence for softball or baseball games. So we're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so probably not much to this, but just want to walk you through it anyway. All the parts and pieces are going to be in here for mounting, and depending on kind of what connection you have. Instruction manual, and then of course a sunshade. So let's kind of walk you through it. Again, you're going to have your magic arm fixture. You're going to mount it to the actual what do you call it here, fence, utilizing this, and we'll show you this, but I just want to kind of give you an idea. This is going to just connect to the fence. And it should, there we go, loosen up and then tighten up onto the fence, and it will connect to one of these here. I think this actually double, we'll see as we kind of get there how this all works, but you'll just tighten up all these little pieces. I'm pretty sure this will connect like so. And then we'll kind of be able to mount and swing the camera up in this direction. There are additional pieces for connecting different types of phones or camera mounts, whatever you're going to need. That'll be in there. I'll be using a Mevo Smart from Logitech. And hopefully we'll be able to kind of figure this out real quick. So I'm going to just show you exactly how it will connect, and then we'll show it in use on a field. Apologies, let me clarify. This is actually going to be the fence mount. This is if I need to attach a phone. So apologies on that. So first of all, just loosen this top piece. All right, and that's going to allow you to loosen up here, and it's also going to allow you to loosen up here. So what I want to kind of show you is this is all very loose. This ball area is very loose. But the second I tighten this up, this is no longer loose. Okay, so just very cool technology that allows it to tighten in both spots. So again, I'm going to kind of mount to my fence utilizing this to tie it down. Then I'm going to get the angle right that I need, and I'm going to swivel and do whatever I need to do, and kind of tighten. But obviously what I'm going to do is connect my camera into a position that I need it to be in. So again, just kind of making sure that we are where we need to be and adjusting as needed. So just assuming I'm facing the field in this direction, I'm going to loosen this a little bit so that I can get the, this all set up. And again, we can tighten, loosen, do all these things. And then once I tighten this switch up, it all kind of tightens. This is all tight. So a very cool mount. And let's talk about the next step, but we'll show this in demonstration at the field. So assuming that there is some sun in the way, what you're literally going to do is just take these pieces right here. If I can get them open. And we're going to use these to mount against, you can kind of see, against the fence. So the fence will be kind of, on the other side of this, and we're literally just going to mount into position, and it should hold it, and then we'll just screw these in above it. So you'll kind of just utilize this. Again, sliding and adjusting as needed to be on top of your camera, and then just kind of tightening to it as needed to maintain a situation where you don't have any sun. So convenient bag here connects for your additional battery pack. If you need a power bank to connect to, this will just fall right into that. And then of course you can connect this to You can close it up and connect it directly to however you want to do it. And then just have the wire running from this directly to your actual camera. So we'll go ahead and show you this all in operation. So let's do it. All right, so as you can see, it's easy to hook up to the fence and then adjusting your camera so it's not blocked by the fence, and then of course putting the bag on it. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped you, and thank you for watching.